That looks difficult. That looks difficult. دا مشکل ښکاري. Difficult ویل کېږي مشکل ته. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. دا څه دومره غټه خبره نه ده. What do you think? How much does he earn? What do you think? How much does he earn? ته څه فکر کوې چې هغه به څومره پیسې ګټي؟ He makes big bucket. He makes big buckets. هغه ډېرې غټې پیسې ګټي. Are you coming soon? Are you coming soon? آیا ته به زر راځې؟ I'll be there in a minute. I'll be there in a minute. یو منټ کې درځم. یعنی په یو منټ کې در راسم. Could you take my picture? Could you take my picture? آیا ته به مانه یو تصویر وباسې؟ They are great feet. They are great feet. آیا وا ښه جوړه ده. Why he didn't get the job? Why he didn't get the job? هغه ته جاب ولې میلاو نشو؟ He was not a good fit for the company. He was not a good fit for the company. هغې کمپنۍ دپاره برابر نه و. Can you meet me tomorrow? Can you meet me tomorrow? آیا تا سره سبا ملاقات کولی شي؟ Can you come to the wedding ceremony? Can you come to the wedding ceremony? آیا ته واده ته راتلی شې؟ I will try to fit it in. I will try to fit it in. زه به کوشش کوم چې وخت پیدا کړم. Have you been to Makkah? Have you been to Makkah? ته مکې ته تللی یې؟ No, but it is on my wish list. No, but it is on my wish list. مکې ته تللی نه یم خو زړه مې کېږي. یعنې زړه مې غواړي چې لاړ شم. Is it difficult to work with him? Is it difficult to work with him? آیا هغه سره کار روزګار مشکل دی؟ He is a difficult person. He is a difficult person. هغه ډېر سخت انسان دی. He get fired. He get fired. هغه یې د جاب نه بهر کړو. Really? No kidding. Really? No kidding. واقعي ګپ خو نه لګوې. Kidding ویل کېږي مزاق ته یعنی ګپ ته. We won the match. We won the match. موږ میچ وګټو. Are you serious? Are you serious? آیا ته رښتیا یې؟ Would you like something to eat? Would you like something to eat? آیا ته به څه خورې؟ I am very angry with him. I am very angry with him. زه هغه ته ډېر په غوسه یم. He is talking behind my back. He is talking behind my back. هغه زما غیبت کوي. یعنی ما پسې وروسته خبرې کوي. ګران دوستانو که ویډیو مو خوښ شوي ویډیو لایک کړئ. زموږ چینل هم در سره سبسکرایب کړئ.